Hello everyone, this is Krish Bansal from Group J and I will be explaining the mechanical component on the behalf of my team. We use the design that is shown here for our model. We had one lead screw as shown, two clamp jaws for holding the sample, two supporting rods as shown and one bottom plate for the model to rest upon. And the top platform where gears and motor were mounted. The positioning of gears is as shown. The smallest gear was to be driven by motor, which will drive the big side gear, which in turn will drive the mid gear, which will rotate the lead screw. We had the ball bearing attached to the lead screw, which would ensure the vertical motion as shown in the automation also. Now I would hand over to Nigam, who will talk about electrical aspect of our model.
Hi everyone, this is Nigam Sangvi. The circuit is supplied power of 12 volt DC. We are using Arduino Uno microcontroller, L298N motor driver, IR sensor, Schmitt trigger and a motor along with 3.3 ohm 1 watt sense resistor, 68 kilo ohm resistor, 47 kilo ohm resistor and 3.1 microfarad capacitors to reduce noises in the circuit. The output of IR sensor is given to Schmitt trigger and Schmitt trigger output is given to Arduino in pin 2 as we want to make use of interrupts in pulse detecting. A pin of Arduino is used as current sensing pin. This brings us to programming of Arduino, which is done in C++. We measure each falling edge in Schmitt output to count a number of pulses. Here, we also defined a for loop to store average value of current pin reading for 10 values measured at 10 millisecond interval. If average value is 50 lower than that measured just previously, the motor will turn off. Here, we are using screw pitch and gear ratio to calculate change in length of sample and hence calculate strain. The stress values will be measured by using data from weight calibration and we will get the result of experiment in form of raw data which can be displayed graphically post processing.